Hi.
Hi, my name is Ned. I'm a counselor at Berlitz Summer Camp.
And I'm David, a volunteer at Berlitz Summer Camp.
Because every day we use English exclusively, there is a variety of activities, and children are not just learning and studying, they are also being physically active during dance and fitness classes.
And we have trained professionals who are with your children at all times and who use only English.
And children are socializing every day. Yes, of course. At the end of each week, you can notice that their vocabulary is much richer and that they are not so shy as they were at the beginning of the week.
Yes, and being in an English environment, they learn many new words which they can use more freely and forwardly.
I think arts and crafts is our most popular activity. They enjoy making different figurines, cards, magnets, and all sorts of stuff. Every day they have different activities where they are being physically active, such as dance, swimming, and fitness with the fitness instructor, of course.
We're walking on Friday.